Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be looking at the split that I made from the green hive about 3 weeks ago. It's currently Thursday the 25th when this was filmed, and I haven't been in this hive, I think from memory, for about 3 weeks. So we're going to suss these guys out, see how they're going. So the first thing you'll notice when we open up this is there's one less frame than there should be, so that's just slack beekeeping. And the second thing you'll notice is that the population's a little bit low. They've really done nothing with this frame. They've drawn it out a little bit, but not a great deal of anything else happening. Now this next frame in, there's a little bit of pollen there in the bottom. All those cells look highly polished, so they're all cleaned out. You know, they could be queenless. Little bit of activity there. So there's bees covering the frame, but there's not a lot else happening. This frame, however, is a different story. We've got eggs, some tiny larvae, but basically it looks like this queen's been laying for a couple of days. We've had a lot of windy weather down here and a lot of rain. We've probably had 2 solid weeks of windy weather, and our breeders have been telling us that they've been having a hard time getting queens to mate. So this is indicative of that. So happy news, we've got a queen in this hive and they're moving forward. I just had a quick look on that other frame and there's no queen on there. And on this side of the frame, there's no eggs. So all that action looks like it's all on that one center frame. So these guys are really going to need a little bit of help. I'm going to take them down to the new apiary site tomorrow. So we'll see how they go down there. There's plenty of food. And look at that. So we've got a opened queen cell, and that original queen cell that was on the right hand side is now gone, so they've chewed that down. But yeah, so this has been opened, so somewhere in amongst all these bees we have a queen. So now I know that I've got a laying queen in this hive and I've spotted the eggs. I'm going to spend a little bit of time, see if I can't spot her. Her bloodline is originally from the orange hive. The orange hive was one of my first hives, which we split back in 2020, and then that created the green hive, and then we've taken another split off that this year to create this nucleus hive. So similar bloodlines. She shouldn't be too hard to spot, but we'll just keep having a bit of a peek and see if we can spot her. I need to be careful taking off this little bit of extra comb, as the queen might even be in there. There are no eggs in there, so she's probably not, but you should always be careful when you're knocking down comb like that. Get rid of that little trap bee that was squished in there. That one will go towards candles. So I've got a challenge for you. I'm going to just let this video roll on as I go through all these frames one by one again to see if I can't spot the queen. See if you can spot her. If you do spot her, let me know in the comments what time on the video, and I'll throw you a mention. Thanks very much for watching, guys. Enjoy the rest of this. Hope you find the queen. Love if you subscribed, threw us a comment or even a like. See you on the next one.